Rustic wooden crafts have emerged as a cherished avenue for creativity, self-expression, and entrepreneurship, appealing to both personal enjoyment and the potential for profit. The timeless beauty of rustic wooden crafts lies in their organic aesthetic, often characterized by natural textures, earthy colors, and the charm of imperfections that showcase the inherent qualities of wood. For many crafters, the journey into the world of rustic wooden projects begins with a passion for nature and a desire to create something unique and meaningful. Engaging with wood, whether through carving, constructing, or repurposing, allows artisans to immerse themselves in the tactile experience of crafting while celebrating the rustic character that wood inherently possesses. Among popular projects are handcrafted furniture pieces that epitomize rustic charm, such as farmhouse-style tables, benches, and chairs. These items are not only functional, but also serve as statement pieces that can transform a home's interior into a cozy, inviting environment. A rustic dining table made from reclaimed wood, with its visible grain patterns and rough edges, not only becomes a gathering spot for family and friends, but also tells a story through the very fibers of the material. Crafting such furniture allows artisans to experiment with different design styles, incorporating elements like live edges, barn doors, or industrial accents that resonate with the rustic aesthetic. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of rustic wooden crafts project ideas for profit or for personal use. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, shelves made of reclaimed wood can also add character and function to living spaces, enabling individuals to display decorative items, plants, or books in an aesthetically pleasing manner. Floating shelves, which are designed to appear as if they are suspended on the wall without visible brackets, can evoke a sense of simplicity and elegance. Crafters can experiment with various finishes, from weathered looks resembling aged wood to smooth, polished surfaces that highlight the wood's natural beauty. These projects cater to a growing demand for rustic decor, appealing to consumers who desire the warmth and authenticity that handcrafted items bring to their homes. Beyond furniture, rustic wooden crafts can extend into functional pieces such as cutting boards, serving trays, and kitchen utensils. Creating handcrafted kitchen items allows artisans to blend utility with artistry, as each piece becomes a reflection of the maker's creativity and design skills. For example, a beautifully crafted wooden cutting board can serve as both a practical tool in the kitchen and a stunning serving platter for entertaining guests. Personalization options abound, with artisans able to engrave names, initials, or inspirational quotes on their creations, adding an extra layer of sentiment and making these items perfect for gifts or special occasions. The appeal of rustic wooden crafts also lies in the possibility of incorporating mixed materials, such as metal or glass, to create unique and functional art pieces. A wooden planter box, for example, can be paired with metal accents to enhance its rustic charm while providing a contemporary twist. This juxtaposition of materials attracts customers who appreciate the blend of tradition and modernity. Crafting such hybrid pieces not only showcases technical skills, but also opens the door for artistic expression, allowing artisans to explore new dimensions in their work. Additionally, the booming trend of urban gardening has heightened the demand for rustic wooden garden accessories, including planters, raised beds, and trellises. Creating these items allows crafters to tap into the growing interest in sustainable living and home gardening, providing consumers with aesthetically pleasing solutions for their green spaces. A rustic wooden planter box filled with herbs or flowers can enhance a kitchen windowsill or patio while reflecting the organic beauty of wooden craftsmanship. The ability to customize these projects according to specific plant needs or personal preferences adds to their selling potential. Connecting artisans with customers who are passionate about their gardens. For those looking to turn their crafting passions into a profitable venture, rustic wooden crafts present ample opportunities for small business endeavors. Participating in local craft fairs, farmers markets, or online marketplaces can help artisans establish their brand and connect with potential customers. Establishing a presence on social media platforms allows craftsmen to showcase their work, share design processes, and engage with a community of like-minded individuals. By building an online portfolio, crafters can attract an audience, promote their work, and receive feedback that furthers their growth as artisans. Beyond traditional selling venues, the potential for collaboration with local boutiques, home decor shops, and interior designers can provide additional revenue streams. Many retailers are keen to source unique handmade items that align with consumer preferences for sustainable and localized products, making collaborations advantageous for both parties. Furthermore, workshops that teach others to create rustic wooden crafts can generate additional income while fostering a sense of community and sharing knowledge. Hosting classes either in person or virtually can attract individuals interested in crafting, enabling artisans to pass on their skills while diversifying their business model. In terms of personal use, the process of creating rustic wooden crafts offers immense satisfaction and the opportunity for self-fulfillment. For many, crafting serves as a therapeutic outlet, providing a creative escape from the pressures of daily life. The rhythmic motions of sanding, assembling, or painting can enhance mindfulness, allowing artisans to immerse themselves in the moment and enjoy the meditative qualities of crafting. Each completed piece not only reflects the individual's craftsmanship, but also carries sentimental value. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for rustic wooden crafts project ideas for profit or for personal use. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.